Hi, I'm Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about some ways for learning a language, for learning English. Most people can have some difficulties in mastering a language, but there are some ways that can ease our difficulties. I'm gonna share with you how I succeeded in learning English. So watch the video till the end. Read as much as possible. Reading English books, articles, or even short stories helps you learn new words and see how sentences are formed. Start with simple books and move to more advanced ones. Listen to music and watch movies. Songs and movies are not just fun. They also train your ears to understand natural English. Try singing along or watching movies with subtitles first. Practice speaking every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you become. You can talk to friends, teachers, or even practice by speaking to yourself in front of a mirror. Stay consistent and disciplined. Learning a language takes time. Make a daily plan even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Discipline is more important than motivation. Think in English. One powerful trick is to stop translating in your head. Try to think directly in English. It will make you faster and more fluent. So I shared something with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on watching my videos, keep on learning English with me. See you next Saturday.